scientists find out why there is no hot Jupiter in the solar system. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. Some of the most common planets cannot orbit stars like the Sun, and here's why. Over many years of observing space, scientists have found that there are two types of planets in the universe that cannot be found in the solar system. Firstly, these are super-Earths, that is, rocky planets that are larger than the Earth but smaller than Neptune. Secondly, they are hot Jupiters, gas giants with enormous temperatures that orbit their stars very closely. While a super-Earth planet may still be hiding somewhere on the edge of the solar system, astronomers are confident that there is no hot Jupiter near the Sun. The authors of the study, published on the ArcSiv preprint server, found out why this happened, writes Universe Today. Scientists believe that the huge number of hot Jupiters discovered in space is due to the fact that many of them orbit small stars and are easy to detect. At the same time, it is now known that such gas giants most often orbit red dwarf stars, which are smaller and colder than the Sun. But around stars similar to the Sun, scientists have found very few hot Jupiters. In order to understand the reason for this, astronomers studied nearly 400 Sun-like stars, taking into account their metallicity, the variety of chemical elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, and their age. Only 46 of the stars in this sample had gas giants orbiting them. At the same time, scientists divided them into two types: hot Jupiters with a rotation period of several days and cold Jupiters with a rotation period of several years. It turned out that there are many more cold Jupiters. Scientists have found that hot Jupiters orbit young stars similar to the Sun, not old stars. As modeling has shown, the maximum age of such a star near which a hot Jupiter can be detected is several billion years. Scientists believe that cold Jupiters have more stable orbits over time than hot Jupiters. Therefore, over time, the older the star becomes, the more the orbits of hot Jupiters are prone to destruction, and eventually they are absorbed by the host star. That's why hot Jupiters are so rare around old stars like the Sun. By the way, our star is about 5 billion years old. Astronomers consider it unlikely that the Sun once swallowed hot Jupiter, and there is no evidence that such a planet ever existed in the solar system. If such a gas giant were to orbit the Sun, it would definitely contribute to the destruction of the small planets that are now close to our star. On the other hand, the authors of the study again emphasize the fact that the solar system is unique. After all, there are not many stars similar to the Sun, and secondly, most of the discovered planets orbit red dwarfs. Was this story interesting for you? Please write your opinion in the comments below. This will help us to find the most interesting information for you. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.